Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. So in this video we are going to talk about a new JavaScript function, prototype function that is called groupBy. This groupBy function allows us to group the elements, group the objects inside an array. So let me show you how to do it. First we will create a new file, for example groupby.js. Okay, now we need some object. Let's specify it, not object, array, some array. So we need array of objects. For example, let's say animal, name is dog, okay, Rex, like this. Let's say name, okay. Let's copy this a few times. Okay, cat, let's say pig, let's say cat, pig, dog, let's do like this. Let's do a couple of more. One more, dog, cat, pig, like this, cat, pig. And now we have some object. So in the old ways, if we want to group elements, like we want to group the animals, we would have to go to the for each or to for loop, map them, store them in some array, and go over it again. But in this new JavaScript function lets us do it much easier. We can go const grouped array equals some array. It's object dot groupBy. Okay, so this is prototype function on the object. The first parameter is the array, some array. The second is the callback function. So in the callback function we specify which is the property we should group by. Here we get this object. We have animal and name. So we will use object destructuring, or you can go like this, object, and return object dot animal, and this will group by the animal. But we can go here and use like this, destructure it and return like this. Okay, and let's log it. Grouped array. And we can go just node grouped. And we get the group items, as you can see. We have object of elements. We have dog that has an array of dogs. We have cat that has an array of cats. And pig that has an array of pigs. This function is very useful and I use it a lot. Whenever I need to group some elements, whenever I need to group them, maybe manage some lists. Example, if you have lists and you want to group the items inside the lists by some criteria, like is some date active, is it not active, or is some group active, is it not. You can group them by these conditions. Like you can have is active, true, and here false. Let's add them. False. And we can group them like here. So this way it groups them by this true false, but we can, for example, it's here, but you can say if there are some group or things like that. So this is very useful if you want to group some elements. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you learned how this works, please leave a like or subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.